You're listening to Becoming Wildly Resilient, brought to you by University of Kentucky, Human Resources, Health and Wellness. Together, we will discover how we can thrive at work, home, and beyond. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Becoming Wildly Resilient. My name is Jackie, health coach with UK Health and Wellness. Our topic this month, intellectual well-being. Before we start our meditation, I do hope you listen to Trey and Sebastian's session and Amy's session that were so enlightening and inspiring. Let's dive into this topic of intellectual well-being. Amy said she has a daughter going to college, and it just so happens I moved my daughter into the UK dorm 2 days ago. I'm really feeling all the feels. So I asked ChatGPT for some comfort. I asked for a meditation for a mom who just moved her daughter to college. I'm a proud mom, but I've also been thinking about some of the ways I felt I came in short as a mom. I would like some encouragement to help me see she's on her own journey and it will all be okay. So, let's sit back and all do this meditation together. The title is A Meditation for Letting Go with Love. Take a deep breath in. Close your eyes. And imagine your child's smile. The way their laughter filled your home. The countless small moments that shaped the person they are becoming. Let yourself feel the warmth of that love. Now, breathe in gratitude for every bedtime story, every meal shared, every drive to school, every hug. Breathe out, release. For the guilt, the what ifs, the times you think you fell short. You gave your child not perfection, but your heart. And that is more than enough. See your child now standing on the path of their own journey. They carry with them the roots you planted, the lessons you lived, and the love you poured into their being. They are ready, not because everything is easy, but because they know they are always loved. Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out trust. Rest in knowing that parenthood isn't easy, and this transition in their life is actually transforming them. They are stretching their wings and learning to fly. Whisper silently to yourself, they are on their way. I am still their home. They are on their way. I am still their home. As you feel your next breath, may peace settle over your heart, trusting the process of life, of growing up and learning to fly. When you feel your next breath arrive, Keeping your gaze down, let your eyes gently blink open and pause. The point of all this is, just like in Trey and Amy's session, this emotional intelligence from AI is something we can look at as an add-on, as a gift, if we work together with our own heart and the brilliance of that huge language database. My invitation to you is, if you would like to ask for a meditation, a breath practice, or something you don't have the courage right now to ask somebody, ask ChatGPT and see what comes of it. Because when I first read this meditation for me, I literally had tears in my eyes. I'm wishing all of you a wonderful rest of your day, and please listen to the other 2 sessions on intellectual well-being, because I felt so lifted and energized by both of those conversations. With that, take great care of yourself, and I will be back next month. Take care. Thank you for listening to Becoming Wildly Resilient. This podcast is brought to you by University of Kentucky Human Resources, Health and Wellness. We offer a wide range of online and in-person services to support the well-being of UK employees, retirees, and their spouses. You can find experts in mental health, personal resilience, nutrition, and physical activity. We're ready to meet you where you are and address your unique needs. To learn more about the work, life, and well-being services offered by UK Human Resources, visit hr.uky.edu/wellbeing. You can also connect with us on social media and YouTube by searching @UKY Wellness or by email at healthandwellness@uky.edu.